Welcome to Tunic Concept online training. What we are making today is the second type of Ankara bangle from the scratch. Now this is our Coke plastic bottle, but this is the small size. This one they sold it, I think is 150. You can get the bigger one. That one they sell like 200 naira. Then you cut out that particular place. They wrap with Coke label so that it will give you that round shape. You can see it. You can remove this red label if you wish, and if you do not wish, you can leave it. Now I ask people to get newspaper. Then the newspaper you get, cut it into two, as in the same size of this one, this plastic you cut. Wrap it twice so that at least it will give it a little stronger shape. It will make it thicker. So now use your UHU gum, add your UHU gum round your plastic, then add your newspaper, gum it round it also before you start gumming your material. Now you also cut a suitable length of material you want to use, like the one I have cut here. After gumming your newspaper, also use your UHU gum, just like the way we wrap the former bangle. In wrapping of bangle, start wrapping, but in this case you wrap this cloth, as in you wrap this thing here like 2 or 3 times so that it will be more stronger and fatter. Now if this is the normal material you want to use, you can get a pieces of material or some material that you are not using to wrap it before you now wrap the real material on the top. Now this is the material I want to use in wrapping it. So now I have folded it in and waiting for it to dry with the help of my UHU gum. Now I have finished wrapping the bangle the normal way we do wrapping of our bangle, but in this case now, to make your work neat, you see this inside part that we finish our work with, you have to fold in the material tip before you now gum it inside. There's nobody to help me for video here. I'm the only one doing the video. That is why I cannot really show you everything I'm doing. So now just try as much as possible to make sure you fold the tip before you now gum it inside so that your work will be neater. Now I fold in 3 materials before the outer one here. Now to design this one, you don't need to make any rose flower or something to design it. You can just stone it. If you stone it, this is what you can make for yourself. Now it looks like a normal bangle you buy in the market, but this one is what you build from the scratch by yourself. Now I'm done with the stoning. While stoning it, you just have to use your UHU gum, drop it down, then pick one stone and place on it. That is the neatest way you can stone something like this. This is it here. This is how it can look like, your hand bangle from the scratch. If you did not tell anybody what you put inside, they will just think maybe you wrap a bangle, but they will never know that you build this one from the scratch yourself. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.